Wow, Ogbaru Boat Carnival. Carnival of Peace and Restoration. Ogbaru bụ nnekwu obodo ọma, obodo ihe na-eme, live stage, live and direct. His Royal Highness Igwe ndị Ogbaru, the King of Ogbaru Nation. As you can see, people were full of enjoyment, full of happiness, full of more and more happy. Look at ndị na-egwu mmiri, swimming live in River Niger. Swimming live in River Niger, as you can see it. Ogbaru is a big place to be and is a big city. As you can see, obi jupụtara ndị mmadụ na obi aṅụrị. This is boat carnival, Ogbaru boat carnival. People were happy, rejoicing, celebrating, and a lot of things, a lot of stage where people were live. As you can see it, as you can experience it with your own eyes. Oh my God, Ogbaru mmadụ.